YouTube. Sorry I was messing with my lights and trying to change shit up and do new content. I just recently got over 1,000 followers on TikTok. I don't have even close to that on YouTube, so I'm trying to get up there and get more out there. I mainly do motorcycle photography, but I'm also going to be doing product reviews. And this is the first review I'm going to be doing, so enjoy. I'm going to do a product review since my bike lights came from Amazon. I'll do an install video later, probably not today, unless I feel up to it. But anyways, let's check out these lights. DITRIO lights, DITRIO, the InfiColors series. User manual. They're on Instagram and Facebook. They're under DITRIO team or DITRIO_team on Instagram, and then Facebook.com DITRIO auto. You can zoom into that. Alright. Comes in a nice Ziploc bag, all sealed up. You got your zip ties, your fuse, wire connectors. All the light strips. There's 12 in this set. They're really thick lights, like I'd say about at least a 1/4 inch thick. Protectors, 3M tape. I believe it's 14 or 12, 8. Forget how many strips. Yeah, 4 12.7 inch strips, 4 8.7 inch strips, 4 4.7 inch strips. So there's 12. You got 1 to 2-way splitters, 2 1 to 2-way splitters for AWG 22 wire for power and AWG 24 for split 4 zones, 4 1 to 3-way splitters, 2 RF remotes, key fob and panel remote. 1 Velcro sticker for remotes, 2 ring terminals, 1 double-sided adhesive for control box, 1 DC 12-volt control box, and 1 instructional booklet. Alright. Here's the color remote. You can change it to any colors, brightness, lower the brightness, on off, flash, strobe, fade, smooth, and music. These do go to the beat of music. There's a key fob. You slide it open. You got A, B, C, and D buttons. There's your main control box that you gotta hook up to battery, power, and ground. And then the remote switch. Connectors for all the lights. Your on-off button, which you can connect anywhere you want. That's the Velcro. Yeah, that's the Velcro and sticky, I think, inside the Ziploc bag. Yeah, there's the Velcro. Stick-on pad. Plenty of zip ties. These zip ties are okay. I'd recommend getting stronger ones for when running wires. If you want a permanent fix for the lights, the sticky tape is alright, but with debris on the road over time, they do come loose. So, like, get the brush-on super glue, slide it on, or brush it on the back of the strip, or where you're going to place the light, and stick it on, hold it on until it's firm and secure, and good to go. I'm installing these on my 2019 ZX-10R. You do have to remove plastics if you want to run it nice and sleek and hidden, so it doesn't look all shitty looking. Put all these back in the bag so I don't ruin them. Hopefully these aren't defective like the last company I had. My buddy recommended these, so saw them on his bike and thought I'd give them a try. The last ones I got were Opt 7. I don't recommend those. They're very thin light strips. The LEDs go out of them. I've had 2 sets I've gotten that were defective. The last new set we were going to put on, the LED lights were changing all crazy colors and they were not working at all. Which is a very big disappointment, and it was past the warranty, so I couldn't return them. So now I got a brand new set I can't use for anything. That. Other than that, I'll do an install video where I fast forward through each part, try and show you parts of installing them, and then the finished look. I'll play some music so you can see the music effect, all the strobe effects, and everything else. But follow for more, like, comment, and enjoy. Peace out.